10 Healthy Lifestyle Routines. There are several things we can do that don't have to cost a penny, and that could help us live a healthier, happier, and stress-free life. The power of nutrition. A flat stomach begins with proper nutrition. In this article, we share the foods that promote digestive health and help reduce bloating. Find out which foods to include in your diet, such as fiber-rich fruit and vegetables, lean protein, and probiotics that support gut health. We also break down common diet myths and share practical meal plans to help you make informed decisions and maintain a balanced eating plan. 1. Effective exercise routines. In addition to eating right, targeted exercises are the best way to tone your tummy. Check out these great abdominal exercises that will engage all your core muscles and strengthen your stomach. Whether you're looking for planks, crunch variations, yoga poses, or a full body workout, we've got you covered. Our exercise guides are easy to use and designed to help you create a workout plan tailored to you and your fitness level. 2. Adequate sleep. Several restorative processes occur during sleep. The body repairs tissues and muscles. The body's cells work to eliminate waste products. Restorative processes are essential for maintaining normal bodily functions and the immune system's health. Hormone regulation. Sleep is vital to regulating hormones that regulate appetite and hunger. Lack of sleep can disrupt these hormones, leading to increased hunger and the potential for weight gain. 3. Regular hydration. Optimized organ function. Water plays an essential role in the functioning of the brain, the heart, the kidneys, and the liver. It carries oxygen and nutrients to cells while eliminating waste products and toxins. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin healthy and less likely to become dry and flaky. 4. Limit screen time. Screen time can also cause you to become sedentary, leading to less time for exercise and more opportunities for obesity and other health issues. Eye health. Screen time can take a toll on your eyes, causing them to feel tired, dry, and prone to digital eye strain. Limiting your screen time can reduce your risk of developing eye problems. 5. Meditation. What is meditation? Meditation concentrates your mind on a specific object, idea, or activity to improve mental clarity and overall relaxation. Meditating regularly can calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and give you insight into your stressors. Studies have shown that regular meditation lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone. 6. Avoid smoking. Respiratory problems. Smoking damages the respiratory tract, leading to chronic coughing, increased phlegm production, and an increased risk of respiratory infections. Cancer risk. Smoking has been linked to various cancers, including lung cancer, but it can also cause cancers of the mouth and throat, the esophagus, the bladder, and other body parts. Skin health. Smoking speeds up skin aging, causing premature wrinkles, thinning skin, and dull skin. Secondhand smoke. Smoking not only damages the smoker but those around them are exposed to secondhand smoke, which increases the risk of respiratory problems and other health issues. 7. Cook at home. Cooking at home gives you more control over what you use, so you can make healthier choices. Cooking at home also allows you to eat smaller portions, which can help you manage your weight and improve your overall health. Cooking at home can also be a great way to relax and enjoy making something from scratch. People who cook at home less often tend to eat more often than those who cook out less often. When people cook out less often than at home, they eat more than twice a week. 8. Share with others. The world's longest-lived people either chose to live in healthy social networks or were lucky enough to live in social networks that encouraged healthy behavior. The Framingham studies reveal that smoking, being overweight, being happy, and even being lonely can be transmitted through social networks. These long-lived people's supportive social environments positively impacted their health behaviors. 9. Reduce stress. A balanced mind-body relationship is essential for a healthy life. Stress reduces your immune system, which makes you more resistant to diseases. It also improves your sleep quality, allowing you to get a better night's sleep and rejuvenate your body. There are many ways to reduce stress. Meditation, deep breathing, yoga, nature, and other stress-relieving practices can all help your mind and body. By practicing stress reduction techniques on a regular basis, you can reduce your cortisol levels, which is known as the stress hormone. This can lead to lower anxiety levels and a greater sense of well-being. 10. Avoid